In Python, Ord returns the corresponding integer given the character you pass in. That number in character correspondence is called ASCII. All information on your computer is represented in ones and zeros, otherwise known as binary. It's easy for a computer to go from binary numbers to decimal numbers like 23 or 7. But what about text? Prior to ASCII, different computers used different systems, making data communication between computers difficult. ASCII standardizes the system mapping 0 through 127 to specific characters. If you look at the documentation for this function, it won't say anything about ASCII, it will instead talk about Unicode. This is greatly simplifying things, but Unicode was built on top of ASCII to support the non-English characters that ASCII couldn't support. Let's do some examples. Print Ord of capital E. If we run the code, you'll see a nice number, 69, meaning capital E's corresponding ASCII value is 69. Next, what happens if you pass a string with more than one character to Ord? Let's do print Ord of capital E followed by L. If we run the code, you'll see an error that Ord expected a character but got a string of length 2. Just a quick note, Python doesn't have its own character type. This error message is just shortening string of length 1 by calling it a character. This has been Jakubication. Like and subscribe to learn more.